Hey folks, we're back. We got a really nice piece for you. This is a one owner unit, 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's an SE. It does have the third row seating. It's got the touch tone screen, trailer tow pack, sporty blacked out wheels. Yup. Digital climate control, hands-free Bluetooth calling, auxiliary line in, USB, satellite radio, non-smoker. And folks, this truck has absolutely not a speck of rust on it, not anywhere. It's clean, never smoked in, no abuse, no accidents, no issues, perfect Carfax. Real nice car, folks. Third row seating in this small little SUV. It's all-wheel drive. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect. Folks, this is going to be a $795 starting down payment on this truck. Check it out. It's like new. I've driven it, put over 50 miles on it. Drives 110%. Folks, she's ready to go. She's here at Diversified Auto Sales. Easy financing terms. Current paycheck stub and a possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. Come on down, check it out, take it for a ride. That's DasCleveland.com.